how to make hyperlinks at the very bottom of your page. So the easy way to do it on the very bottom is just kind of put this at the bottom of your code. Just as a recap, so far we have a website that has some words, a picture or two. Hopefully you got some more. You've made it colorful. And if you're wondering how to do that, you can check on the link that's popping up there. So for this one, let's show you how to add to any of your favorite websites. So maybe you want to share your social media, maybe you want to share your YouTube or your Twitch, maybe you want to share your favorite website, like one of mine, Repl.it. So here's how you do it. Since we're making the links, the hyperlinks at the very bottom, I'm just going to go to the bottom of our code and I'm going to type A for to anchor it, and I'm going to hit enter. It jumps me right into this href. So it wants to reference something. So that's where we put our website. The first website I'm going to put is my Twitter. So make sure that if you're doing this, you're in your profile and you copy the link that is your profile to whatever website you want to do. And then we paste it in there. I hit Control V. And then after the bracket, I'm just going to type Twitter. Okay. I hit refresh, it adds it, but it adds it right after the picture. So I want to just kind of clean that up. And after the image there, I'm going to add a break and refresh again, and it should pop down. Okay, cool. The next website I want to add is my YouTube. So since we're pretty much doing the same thing, I'm going to copy that and paste it. Now, I don't want two Twitter accounts. If I refresh it, it says that right now. So what I want is I want my YouTube channel. Again, you can do whatever websites you want. I would like you to have at least two websites that it jumps it to. If you're into Harry Potter, put a link to Harry Potter. If you're into Netflix, put Netflix. If you're into coding, maybe w3schools.com would be a good one. All right, so similar thing, I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste in my YouTube channel right there. By the way, if you're checking it out, feel free to subscribe. I am going to type YouTube there. But what I want to do is right after this quote right here, after the link, I'm going to type the word target. And then inside of there, I'm going to go underscore blank. And now you can see the difference when I refresh this, that it changed from Twitter to YouTube. And you can see when let me close these real fast. Okay, so when we click on Twitter, it changes the website to Twitter. Now, most of the time when you're making a website, you want people to stay on your website. So by adding that underscore blank, that target, we're sending people with this link to open a new tab to my YouTube channel. By the way, you're there. Like, share, and subscribe. I don't know. Smash that subscribe. I don't know what they say. Anyway, so actually, I want people to stay on my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a target on my Twitter link too. So I'm going to type target. We add a space there. Target and then underscore blank. And now when we go to it, now this is a personal preference of mine. I want tabs to open up when people click on those. I don't want them to leave my website. So yes, they are leaving my website when they click on the tabs, but my website is going to be open on another tab so that they can easily come back to it. You know what happens when people go to YouTube. They get stuck down that YouTube rabbit hole, and then all of a sudden, their 3 hours of their life is gone. So this is what I would like you to do. Now, one more thing that I have forgotten right before we turn this in is, Up here in your code, in your title, you probably want to change this to like your name and then website. So you can go your last name, you can go first and last name, or if you only want to do your first name, I understand that too. So you might not notice, but when you hit refresh, now at the very top, it's going to change the title of your website. So we want to make sure that in this episode, you've realized how to create hyperlinks and you've changed the title. Okay, to turn this in, make sure that you copy this link right here and turn it in to your teacher using, for me, Google Classroom or Canvas, whatever we're using at the time. And have a great rest of the day. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments on Google Classroom or on YouTube. All right, thanks for watching.